Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market fundamentally. That means we are going to analyze the news in upcoming weeks. That means next Monday to Friday. And as per we are trading on gold, we have to consider XAUUSD and we have to follow USD news. That means USD is directly connected with gold, so we have to follow USD news. And there is two kind of USD news comes into the market. One of them is positive news, and the one is negative news. And positive news comes with positive data. That means positive for USD, it comes like green 0.5%, green to 45k. In that case, for positive news we have to sell gold, and for negative news we will buy gold. You must Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, so let me explain that. Suppose in that case, one triangle of gold is equal to 2500 triangle of United States dollar. Okay, and you have to keep your concern two things. Number one is gold value is always fixed, that means constant, and USD or currency value can be changed anytime. Okay, and this is variable. Okay, this is constant and this is variable. And if I got plus 5% data on USD, that means if there is any USD news and we got plus 5% data, that means our triangle will be 5% bigger than previous one if we add plus 5% over there. Okay, and in that case USD is stronger or bigger than gold. In that case we will sell gold. And same thing for negative news. If we minus 5% or we got minus 5% news or negative 5% news on gold, that means if we minus 5% from this triangle, we will get that triangle, and in that case gold is stronger than USD and we will buy gold in that case. That's why this is the reason why for negative news we will buy gold, why for positive news we will sell gold. Okay, so this is the thing. And let's get back into our chart. As you can see there, I just selected, or I just take a screenshot from forexfactory.com, and there is Monday to Friday major and semi-major news from the market, and you may see same chart on forexfactory.com. And on Monday we have one USD semi-major news. If data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, this is the simplest theory as per I share. Okay, in Tuesday we have a lot of news into USD. That means there is a lot of major news. The orange color news are semi-major and red color news are major news. Same thing, if we got positive value we will sell gold, if we got negative value we will buy gold. This is the thing. In Wednesday we have FOMC member specs. So if there is something related interest rate cut, that means rate cut, we will buy gold, because if there is interest rate cut, USD will be weaker than previous, so we have to buy gold. In that case gold will act like strong bullish. Okay, and for no rate cut, maybe market will go for down or market will go for sell. Okay, in Tuesday we have CPI YY unemployment, that means jobless claim, most powerful news, and we have also CPI MM core CPI. Okay, you have to keep your concern on this thing also. Same thing we will do for that kind of news also. In Friday we have home sales news and UOM consumer statement news. Same thing we have to do with that also. Okay, so out of that, or out of the box, we can have some news from Donald Trump through social, or Fed stuffs from X or Twitter. Okay, so if there is something comes like geopolitical uncertainty, okay, that means bullish for gold. And if there is come like settlement issue and issue solved or wire solved, or there is any kind of case fire. Okay, that means anything happened with certainty and peaceful, gold will go down. In that case USD will be stronger than previous, we will sell gold. Okay, and you have to keep your concern on that kind of news also to get that kind of data. Okay, that means geopolitical uncertainty and case fire related issue and Fed rate cut. You have to keep your concern on that. That means you can keep your eyes on fundamental news sites, or you can keep your eyes on X or Truth Social to check what Donald Trump is saying. And if you think that is very painful for you, we already posted a lot of things into our Telegram channel from past few years. So you may join a public Telegram channel to get all kind of update, like real-time data, real-time news, and real-time technical and fundamental analysis. We are posting a lot of things into our Telegram channel, all in on platform. So you may join there to get all of them in one platform. Okay, so let's check what is the reason behind the gold fly. Okay, as you can see there is 6 major factors why gold is flying from a long term. Okay, US dollar getting weaker day by day, that's why there is a bullish momentum on gold, and there is also high inflation, geopolitical tension, low interest rate cuts, and central bank buying golds, and economic uncertainty. As per I said before, all of those things. So this is the key factors, or this is the major factors to gold going bullish. Okay, you can take a screenshot if anything happened like that, this 6th thing, you have to buy gold or you can buy gold. So I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal, free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.